Starting your journey as an influencer can be exciting, but as you grow, you might find yourself navigating the waters of business and finances. One important step in this journey is setting up an LLC, or limited liability company. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds, and I'm here to walk you through the basics. You might be wondering, why should an influencer like you consider forming an LLC? Well, it's simple. An LLC can protect your personal assets from any business liabilities. Imagine if there's a hiccup with a brand partnership or financial obligations. Your personal bank account and assets stay safe and sound. It's like having a safety net under your business venture. So, how do you go about setting up an LLC? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, you'll want to pick a unique name for your LLC, something catchy, memorable, and true to your brand. After all, your name is the face of your business. Once you've nailed down a name, the next step is to file articles of organization with your state. This is like the birth certificate for your LLC. It officially registers your company with the state so you can start operating legally. But don't stress about the paperwork. Legalregistration.com can help make this process smooth and easy for you. Next, you'll need an operating agreement. This is basically the rulebook for your LLC, outlining how the business will be run. It might sound like extra work, but it's crucial for keeping everything organized and on track. And if you don't know where to start, guess what? Legalregistration.com has got you covered there too. Now, there's one more step that's super important. Getting your EIN, or employer identification number. Think of it as a social security number for your business. This number is essential for taxes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. Another great reason to form an LLC as an influencer is that it opens doors for growth and partnerships. Brands often prefer to work with legally registered businesses because it adds a layer of professionalism and trust. Plus, having an LLC can make it easier to hire team members, expand into new platforms, or even monetize your content more effectively. Once you've tackled these steps, congratulations! You've set up your LLC and are ready to take your influencer business to the next level. Remember, having an LLC not only protects you, but also adds a layer of professionalism that brands and followers will appreciate. If setting up the LLC still feels like a bit much to handle on your own, don't forget that legalregistration.com is here to help you every step of the way. Just visit our site at legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. We're here to support you on this exciting path. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.